Hey guys, it's your girl Key, aka Keiwi, and I am back with a fire cut crease tutorial for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. I don't mind being at home, enjoy the night alone, watching my favorite shows. See, I'm fine, be the one, never waiting by the phone, always in control. Alright guys, I'm going to start shading my brows in with one of my absolute favorite brow products, and that's the NYX Cosmetics Brow Gel. I'm in the color Expresso, so I like to go in and I just do light strokes all around my brows. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how I do my brows, I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so go and check that out. And then I'm going to clean up my brows with the NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. And this is in the shade Neutral Buff. So now I'm going to go in and prime my eyelids with the Louise base in shade number 1. This base is nothing but the truth, y'all. Like, I love this base so much. It makes my shadows pop. Like, it's just crazy. So I'm going to be using the Morphe Boss Smooth palette. I'll be doing my first cut crease with the shade Color Persona, and I'm just going to kind of do an outline for my crease, and I'm going to blend it out. Then I'm going to touch the outer corner with the shade FOTD just to bring it out and make it pop a little bit. Over my cut crease, I'm going to go in and blend Fired Up, and this is because I really don't want my cut crease to be super harsh. So I'm just using Fired Up to blend out the cut crease that I made because, like I said, I don't want it to be super harsh, but I do want it to have a little bit of definition. Now I'm going to go back in with my P. Louise base and make a half cut crease. I'm just going to apply enough of the base to do the half cut crease and just to cover up the red where I want the half cut crease to be. And I just eyeball to make sure that the creases are even on both sides. So I'm going to top the base with a little bit of the Too Faced glitter glue, and this is just going to help my next pigment pop. So now I'm going to go in with Bright Eyes, and as you can see, the glitter glue just makes the shimmer pigment just pop a little bit more. Now y'all know I gotta be extra, so I'm about to go in and exaggerate the cut crease a little bit with the NYX Cosmetics Studio Liner in Extreme Gold. And then I'm gonna go in and do my winged liner with the NYX Gel Liner in Black. I'm going to prime my face with the Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer, and I just kind of massage this in around my face with my fingers. And then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I like to dampen my sponge when I'm blending in my foundation, so I use the Tarte Setting Mist just to spray my sponge a couple times so it's damp, and I blend it all around my face. And then I'm going to go in and contour with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. This is the same concealer I used for my brows. And I'm going to blend this with the same sponge, except I don't spray it again when I'm blending out my contour. And I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade 13. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Light Powder to bake, and I'm just going to bake in all of the areas that I contoured with the NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. I only bake for a few minutes and then I buff it out with the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Sand. Now I'm going to go under my eyes with the P. Louise base, and then I'm going to go in and pack a little bit of the FOTD shadow under my eyes as well. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face. All of the products that I used on my face are in the description box. I really hope you all have enjoyed this look. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see y'all next time.